Friends, welcome to my channel AKS Bright. This is the 7th class multimedia. This is the last topic over this lesson. If you want previous video, subscribe my channel and watch it. This method is okay. I continue next lesson. This method is okay or not? Command it, put it comment section. Please subscribe my channel, share your friends. Now start. So now a multimedia production team. One software delivery to many process. Inside the many process is there. How to outcome to the software. So multimedia production team managing the team members. This way get the maximum outcome with the high degree of the efficiency. Monitoring multiplication production of the fine quality high end. So everything check. Multimedia production application requires the specialized team comprised of the following members. This first production managers. First check the production manager. Production managers, coordinator, the project coordinator. Every member check the software. So budget, everything discuss this paragraph here. Product manager, then content specialist. So this all contents correct. Using useful for the public, useful for the software. Use the members, very useful. Say everything check the content specialist. So activities consult with proposed application content, program content, information graphics, data, fact, everything check. Next is a script writer. This is the very important. So how to write how to get the video, how to install the video, how to use this application, everything check it the script writer. The film script represent the linear sequential event. 3 dimension also using the script. Everything check the script writer. Then test editor. Graphics, the content is multi-producting. The different contents using different styles, using different animations, using the everything install the test editors. The grammatical mistake, test mistake, everything check it. This is the flow chart for multimedia production team. First product manager, then content specialist, script writer, test editor, multimedia architect, computer graphics artist, audio and video specialist, webmaster, computer program. This all processing complete. Afterwards outcome the software in public. Publish the public. Say this process all software including the same method, same cycle following. The multimedia architect. This is the test graphics, audio, music, video, animations, author software. Then computer graphics artist. This role of the computer graphics artist deal with the graphics element program, button, billet and button, features editing. This all option include computer graphics editing. Then audio video specialist. Check the audio. The role of this specialist need the deal with the narrations, digitalized video to be added. This recording, editing and sound effect digitalized using this. Then computer programmer writes the lines of the code, a script, appropriate language. This script usually develop the special functions. Then webmaster. The responsibility of the webmaster is to create and maintain the internet web pages. The final multimedia product is really for consultations, joint effort to the entire team. This all group of members is joined or everything is checked afterwards publish the software. Okay, understood? Then multimedia to internet connection, how to using the net. The major application being the interactions internet multimedia likes the map, media rich blogs, etc. Comparisons study on use internet and multimedia is USA say established the 55 million customer use the internet ratio and video service. Then image most usually the network sites, Facebook. This all using multimedia online. Yeah, the world rotated to the others countries using this multimedia on internet, mobiles, then laptop, Facebook, everything. Then application of multimedia. So this application using in text, image, sound, audio, animation, video, single platform. Then education field where the multimedia use majorly. The education field and the entertainment field also using. So education field students, teachers, parents enjoy this software. So learning material very easily. The multimedia based teaching and learning the system. Modulo Germanly developed in a web based environment. The aims. Learning environment based on the education background. The Indian multimedia use the different way teaching the learning, e-learning methods, a very important e-learning method. Now familiar using e-learning, visual learning, then education satellite, EDUSA. This all method nowadays using. Then entertainment games. The remarkable advantage the entertainment industry is due the multimedia technology mainly technology needs allow the TV, online, the gaming, video, etc. The television service. Movies, televisions, individual basic homes. This all purpose using. Then business system. Some marketing level using this multimedia. Wi-Fi connection allow using multimedia, Bluetooth and cell phone personal. This all method using and share the data to multimedia. Then medical service. The medical service growth drastically with the development of the multimedia. Multimedia students practice surgery methods, wise simulations. Yeah. Actual surgery. This animations also using this multimedia inner scene of the body. Display the inner scene of the body, human body and it insert. Then public place. Multimedia is available many places, library, railway station, museum, malls, airport, many places using. enriched with animations, video, graphics, diagram apps, multimedia conference, face-to-face interactions among the particular user located from each others. Then libraries information center and achieves the primary functions. Library organizes the collect the preserve determination information the user the handling the information more effectively. Multimedia technology adopted by the libraries various functions. Multimedia kiosks, the free Falcons multimedia technology applications library. So multimedia kiosks. Kiosks is the free standard furnished equipped multimedia computer that allow the user to retrieve the information. Then the commonly use the airport and the public location. This method, airport and public location, directly monitoring the information, usually located near the entrance of the library. Kiosks. Display announcement used, reading list comments, suggestion. Then webcasting and video conference. The live the telecast the real time program through the internet known as the webcasting. The video conference process of conducting the conference between the more than two participants in different site by using this transmission. The user orientation. So role of the multimedia play the vital role in training of libraries, schools, college and universities. Interactive due to interactive. The in-house production of multimedia resource e-publishing. So many libraries nowadays using this in-house of the service e-publishing, CD, DVD. Solve of the problem. Libraries storing the achieving the material. The multimedia tools along the CD writers in MAD the publish different source in a most easy to use and acceptable from the library users. The digital multimedia libraries information are available deal the format books, scan the image, graphics, digitalized audio and video clips, library project, the multimedia elements, image and audio recording via the integrated under the collection of digital library. Yeah, that's all the friends. This lesson is over. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share your friends. Comment me. Thank you.